Hey, good morning. My name is Paul Myers and I may be looking for you. Let me tell you what I'm looking for. If you're a contractor that does home renovations from kitchens to bathrooms to basements to flooring, I have customers looking to have this work done. And if you're seeing this ad now, it's because I'm looking for one exclusive contractor in your area. And if that's you, and if it's a good fit, I know I can bring you a ton of value every month. So listen, click the link below. Let's have a chat. Let's see if you're a good fit for us and if we're a good fit for you. And let's bring some additional revenues, jobs, customers with checks in hand to your business. Talk soon. Thanks.